In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your hosting or domain to Netlify. So doing this is fairly simple, and here's the step-by-step process. First, you want to go and open up Netlify and go to the domain section in the left menu. From there, click on Add or Register Domain and click on Add a domain you already own. Here you're going to type in the domain that you bought on Hostinger, which for me is this one right here, and then click Verify. Next, you will need to add the DNS record, so you're just going to click Add Domain, and here it will say no DNS record set up yet, so click Add New Record, and then here you can create a new DNS record. Now from here, what you want to do is just go and click Continue, and then it will give you your domain's name servers. So instead of updating DNS records, you can use their name servers right here. So you can see all of them are the same except for the fourth number right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you can do is just copy the first one. Now you want to go to Hostinger and go to your domains, and on the domain you are connecting, go to Manage, and from there go to DNS and Name Servers. So as I said, instead of managing your DNS records, you want to change your name servers. So click Change Name Servers, confirm by clicking Change Name Servers, and now just paste in the thing you just copied everywhere right here, so in all four, but then instead of the 1, here make it 2, here make it 3, and in the last one 4. So make sure this matches what you have on Netlify, and from there click Save, and then you will have changed the name servers. So now just close that, go back to Netlify and click Done, and from here you can now see I have registered through an external provider my domain right here, and that's basically how you can connect your hosting or domain to Netlify. So now in my domains you can see I have now added this domain, and it is available right here in Netlify. So now you know how you can connect your hosting or domain to Netlify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.